Hi everybody, this is my Hoover Model 541 that I've had out here in the barn, and it turns out the motor does work. This is Kelly from YouTube. Here we go, I'm going to show you that it working. Now, Robert, just so you know, the only thing that doesn't work on it is the brush roll. The belt's bad, but other than that, the vacuum does work, but it does need to be, the bearings in it do need to be greased and everything. I'll let you do all that. But I just wanted to show you this video of it working. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.